Well, a modest gain for stocks at the opening bell, looks like at least. Dow up 100, NASDAQ up 61 points. David Nicholas with us this morning. David, the Fed cut rates for the first time since 2020. Okay, so what are you buying and what are you selling? Deal with what are you buying first, please.
Yeah, Stuart, that's right. The Fed has our back. So we're putting money to work. We're putting money to work in three areas. We're looking at large caps, we're looking at small caps, we're looking at internationals. If you just look at some of the Mag 7 names, so Meta just hit an all-time high. If you look at Microsoft and Tesla, they're close to hitting all-time highs. You look at Apple, it's shown very good consolidation. It's holding on really nicely. So while earnings growth is slowing in the Mag 7, we're still seeing robust growth. So we're putting money to work there. We also like internationals. Stuart, when I was on a couple months ago, we talked about Argentina. Argentina is up 20% in the last couple months compared to the S&P at 4%. We like India. So we think these three sectors, large caps, small caps, and international, is the place you want to put money to work. We're selling the defensives. I think some of the defensive sectors like utilities are way too rich. If you look at XLU is up 25% year to date, Stuart. That's more than the S&P, and that's more than NASDAQ. So I think you sell the defensives and put money to work in equities. I think it makes sense here, Stuart.
So you feel aggressive about this? You think this market's going higher still?
Our base case is a soft landing. So again, I know there's a lot of nerves out there for investors, but if you believe that this economy is not falling off a cliff, you put money to work in those sectors, Stuart.